Alright, I'm out here at Vernon Road in LaGrange, Georgia. Got a bit of a small update here. CSX replaced about half the gate lights on this crossing. First signal here, thankfully it still has its RECO incandescent gate, older RECO incandescent gate light right there, and then there's one of the newer RECO LEDs. But up there we got a new NEG LED gate light, which I believe has replaced RECO LED gate light. Also on this signal, the back left RECO 8-inch light right here. That, when I first visited this crossing back in 2022, had been missing its background for a few years, but as you can see now it has a new background on it. So that's nice to see. Over here on the, I don't know what that SL sign over there was for, but over here on this signal, two of the gate lights been replaced with NEG LED gate lights. You see that's an NEG LED, that's another NEG LED. That's still a RECO, I'm guessing a RECO LED. No other changes, thankfully. I'm glad to see these classic early 70s SCL signal double, this classic early 70s SCL double mast install is pretty much still entirely unchanged, aside from a few gate lights. I'll probably try to refilm it on this trip at some point, but yeah, just thought I'd show y'all the little upgrade here since I was last here. Over and out.